Before we begin, let me ask you something. How many times have you stayed stuck not because you didn't know what you wanted but because you couldn't decide? That heavy feeling, that pressure in your chest, that endless, what if I choose wrong? Most people wait for clarity, but clarity doesn't come from thinking. It comes from deciding. And today, I'm going to show you 6 simple steps that will help you make difficult decisions with calm, clarity, and confidence. Welcome back to Build Yourself with me. If you're new here, hi. I'm happy you found this video. This channel is all about helping you grow, heal, and transform your life one insight at a time. If you've been here before, welcome back, my friend. You already know this is your space, your reset button, your safe corner where you get to build the strongest, clearest version of yourself. Today's topic is important because your life is shaped by your decisions, not your wishes, not your dreams, not your potential, but your decisions. So let's slow down, breathe, and walk step by step through a simple, powerful decision-making system that will help you navigate any heavy, confusing, or overwhelming choice. I have 6 steps to make difficult decisions. Step 1. Define the real problem, not the surface problem. Most people make decisions on the wrong foundation. They think the problem is, should I leave this job? Should I stay in this relationship? Should I move to a new city? But the real question is deeper. What pain am I trying to end? And what future am I trying to create? When you identify the real root, decisions become clearer. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? What am I afraid of losing? What am I tired of tolerating? Clarity begins here. Step 2. Picture both futures. Every decision creates 2 realities. The life you get if you say yes, and the life you get if you say no. Most people only see the fear of one option, but I want you to imagine both paths fully. Ask yourself, what does my life look like 6 months after choosing this? What about 1 year, 3 years? The right choice usually reveals itself when you visualize the long-term impact, not the short-term discomfort. Step 3. Know your non-negotiable. Decision-making becomes easier when you know what you will never compromise. Your non-negotiables are things like peace, self-respect, health, integrity, family stability, growth. Once you know these, choices become simpler. Anything that violates your non-negotiables is an automatic no. This step alone can save you from years of regret. Step 4. Remove emotion just for a moment. Emotions are important, but they can cloud your reasoning. So for a moment, imagine the decision doesn't affect you emotionally. You're giving advice to a friend. No fear, no anxiety, no pressure. Now ask, what would I tell someone I love in this exact situation? That answer is usually the truth. Step 5. Do the X of October 10 check. This is one of the simplest, smartest tools. Ask yourself, how will I feel about this decision 10 minutes from now? How will I feel 10 months from now? How will I feel 10 years from now? This pulls you out of panic mode and into wisdom mode. Most short-term fears don't matter in 10 months, and especially not in 10 years. But choices that align with your values, those are the decisions that build the future version of you. Step 6. Accept that no decision is perfect. Only forward. Every choice has risks. Every option has uncertainty. Every path has challenges. There is no perfect decision. There is only a growth decision or a fear decision. Ask yourself, am I choosing comfort or choosing growth? If you always choose comfort, your life stays small. If you choose growth, your life expands in ways you can't imagine. And here's the truth. The worst decision is staying stuck. The best decision is choosing momentum. A moment of reflecto and take a breath. Think of the decision that's been weighing on your mind. What step above gave you the most clarity? What insight hits your heart? Trust that you are more capable, more intuitive, and more prepared than you think. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If this video gave you clarity, comfort, or direction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it too. This channel grows because of you, and I'm grateful for every moment you spend here. Remember, your future is built by the decisions you make today. Choose with confidence, choose with peace, choose with strength. Until next time, bye-bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep building yourself with me.